Apu and the Sugarcane Treat. In a sunny village near the Western Ghats lived a friendly baby elephant named Apu. Apu loved two things, playing in the river and eating sweet sugarcane. One afternoon, Apu found a large bundle of sugarcane near a farmer's hut. His tummy rumbled with joy. But just as he was about to eat, he saw his friend Mina, a little girl, looking very sad. She had dropped her basket of guavas into the muddy ditch. Apu looked at his delicious sugarcane, then at Mina's tears. With a gentle trumpet, he used his strong trunk to lift Mina's basket out of the mud. Then he broke his big sugarcane in two and gave the largest piece to her. Mina smiled brightly and hugged Apu's trunk. They shared the sweet treat under the shade of a big banyan tree. The moral: sharing your treats makes them taste even sweeter.